right, fourth graders, we are ready for exit ticket for lesson 12. Today, you practiced and you were learning how to compare fractions on a number line. And so that's what we're going to be looking at today. Number 1 tells us to plot the following points on the number line without measuring. And so on our number line already, we have 0, 1/2, and 1. And we have 3 points that we need to plot. That just means we're going to draw our dot. So we're going to start with 8/10. Now, friends, here's our thought process, okay? If I'm thinking about where on my number line I would put 8/10, I need to think about a few things. I know that to get to 1 whole, my numerator and denominator are the same. So if I'm dealing in tenths, 1 whole is equal to 10/10. Okay, so if I have 1 whole is 10/10, but I only have 8/10, I know it has to be less than 1. But it's not too many less than 1 whole. Now I'm also going to be thinking 1/2 is here, and if I want to know an equivalent fraction to 1/2 with tenths, I can think to myself, oh, I know that 1/2 is the same as 5/10. So I know that my 8/10 is going to be greater than 1/2 and less than 1. But that 8 is a little bit closer to my 1, and so I'm going to mark 8/10 right about here and label it as 8/10. So now my next fraction is 3/5. And I need to decide whereabouts would that be on my number line if I have the fraction 3/5. So again, I'm going to think, is 3/5 going to be larger than 1/2? And if you said yes, you are correct. 3/5 is greater than 1/2 because it should be somewhere between 2/5 and 3/5 is right at 1/2. So guess what, friends? It's pretty close, right about here. Now I'm going to let you do that last one together. Where would 1/4 be? Now the last part that you have on your exit ticket says, using the number line in problem 1, compare our fractions using greater than, less than, or equal to on the lines. So we're going to look at 1/4 and 1/2. 8/10 and 3/5. Well, that one we already have on there that we did together. So I would be able to write that 8/10 is greater than 3/5. Then I have 1/2 and 3/5. Well, again, looking on my number line, the fraction closest to 1 that gets me greater is 3/5. And I'll let you finish the rest. Don't forget to take your picture and submit today.